Hi, I'm Logan. This is Laura Plantation. Now, this is a Creole plantation. When we're talking about the word Creole, we're really talking about the non-English speaking culture that flourished here in Louisiana before it was purchased in 1803 to be part of the US. So to be Creole here, you had to speak French, you had to be Catholic, and you had to be born on Louisiana soil. Now, Creole is the blending of cultures, so to be a little bit more specific, it's the blending of West African, and that's because of the people who were enslaved here. Native American, because of the many Native American tribes that were in the area, and then European, because of the French and Spanish that colonized here.